Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we will start 6th chapter of computer, that is Introduction to Visual Basic. In this video, we will learn what is the programming language, what is the Visual Basic, how to start a Visual Basic project, how to save a Visual Basic project, properties, methods and events in Visual Basic, components of Visual Basic. First of all, I will explain you what is the programming language. A programming language is a set of grammatical rules used for giving instruction to a computer. Generally, there are two types of programming languages. First is low level programming language and second is high level programming language. In this class, we will use Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express version. Now I will explain you what is the Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a high-level programming language that offers a graphical user interface for designing and developing programs as compared to QBasic that offers only text-only environment. Visual Basic offers an integrated development environment IDE for writing programs. An IDE provides a common environment for designing, editing and removing errors in programs. It means that with the help of Visual Basic, we can make softwares very easily. Visual Basic is also referred to as event-driven programming language. An event is a occurrence of some user-generated action, such as click and key press. Now I will explain you how to start Visual Basic software. You have to follow the following steps to start Visual Basic 2010 Express. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Select Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Step 4. Click on Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. After that, your software will open like this. You can see components of Visual Basic 2010. Components means parts of any software. Similarly, Visual Basic have some components like form window, toolbox, toolbar, menu bar, start page tab, form designer tab, document window, properties window, solution explorer. I will explain you one by one. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of project. Menu bar. The menu bar offers commands for working in Visual Basic environment. For example, file menu, edit menu, etc. Toolbar. The toolbar contains buttons that provides shortcut to various menu options such as a smart debugging button. Toolbox. The toolbox offers various tools which can be placed on the form for creating an interface. These tools are referred to as controls in Visual Basic. Every form as well as control has its own set of properties, methods and events. With the help of these tools, we can create software design. You can see in this diagram, various tools are available like button, checkbox, command box, label, date and time, list box, etc. Properties window. The properties window is used to display and change the properties of the form or the control placed on the form. You can see properties window diagram. Solution Explorer. The Solution Explorer window displays a list of various files of a project. The Solution Explorer window has a view code and the view designer button on the top to change the code or designer view respectively. You can see the diagram of Solution Explorer. Form window. The form window is the basic building block on which you can place various objects or control for designing an application. In other words, you can say for designing an application, we will use form. On this form, we will use many tools from toolbox. Now I will explain you how to save a Visual Basic project. First of all, you have to click on File menu. After that, click on Save All option. You can see in this diagram. After that, write name of project. After that, click on OK button. your project will save. Now I will explain you properties, methods and events in Visual Basic. First of all, I will explain you properties. A property is an attribute of an object that defines one of the object's characteristics, such as size, color or screen location, or an aspects of its behavior, such as whether it is enabled or visible. To change the characteristics of an object, you change the values of its properties from property window. Methods. A method is an action that an object can perform. For example, add is a method of combo box object because it adds a new entry to a combo box. Events. An event is an action recognized by an object, such as clicking the mouse or pressing a key, and for which you can write the code to respond. Event can occur as a result of user action or program code. So dear students, I hope you understood the basic concepts of Visual Basic. In next video, I will explain you some programs of Visual Basic. Thank you.